Hello students, in our last video we have done some questions of let's try to, and today in this video we will do our next topic, special properties of rational numbers of chapter 1. So let's start our topic. First, additive identity. If I write a rational number 3/4, what should be added to this number so that result is same number? Means what should be added to 3/4 so that the number remains same? There is only one such number, that is 0. When 0 is added to any number, we always get the same number. So 0 is called additive identity for rationals. Let us define additive identity. Additive identity is the number which, when added to another number, gives the number itself. When 0 is added to 3/2, the number remains itself. Next is multiplicative identity. If I write another rational number -2/3, what should be multiplied to this number so that the number remains same? There is only one such number, that is 1, and 1 is a rational number. So when we multiply any rational number with 1, the number remains same. So 1 is called multiplicative identity for rational numbers. Let us define multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is the number when multiplied by another number. When multiplied by another number, the number gives the itself. The number gives itself. Next is additive inverse. If I write another rational number 4/5, what should be added to this number so that result is 0? What should be added to 4/5 so that the sum is 0? That is a number, same number but with opposite sign. When we add -4/5 to 4/5, obviously the sum is 0. So -4/5 is the additive inverse of 4/5. If I write a rational number a/b, then what should be added to a/b so that result is 0, sum is 0? That is again -a/b. So additive inverse of a/b is -a/b, and additive inverse of -a/b is a/b. What is the difference between these two numbers? That these are same numbers but with opposite sign. So additive inverse of a number is the same number but with opposite sign. Let us define additive inverse. Additive inverse is the number when added to given number. When added to given number gives 0 as the answer. Next is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. If I write again a rational number 6/7, what should be multiplied with 6/7 so that the product is 1? Now what should we do? We should take the reciprocal of this number, 7 by 6, as 7 and 7 and 6 and 6 get cancelled and the product is 1. So how can we define the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is the number when multiplied by another number. When multiplied by another number, the product is 1. If I have to find the multiplicative inverse of A by B, multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of A by B, that is B by A. And what is the reciprocal of minus A by B? Reciprocal of minus A by B is B by minus A. But we will not write minus in the denominator in standard form. So what should we do? We will multiply this number by minus 1 in the numerator as well minus 1 in denominator. Then it becomes, when B and minus 1 is multiplied, that become minus B, and minus A and minus 1, minus minus plus, that is equal to A. Next is some examples of let's try 3. We have a number minus 2 by 3 and 3 minus 7 by 9, and we have to find its additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. So let's write first minus 2 by 3. What will be the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3? The same number but with opposite sign. So plus 2 by 3 is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. And what is its multiplicative inverse? That is equal to the number, and that is equal to its reciprocal. So 3 by minus 2. As we have done before, we cannot write this minus in denominator. We have to convert in standard form. So what should we do? Multiply this with numerator in numerator and denominator by minus 1. And you will do it yourself, and you will write here standard form of this number. Next is 3 minus 7 by 9. The number is given here in mixed fraction. So first step to convert this number in improper fraction, that is equal to 3 multiply 9 minus 7 divided by 9, that is equal to 9 3s are 27 minus 7, 20 by 9. Now you will write yourself its additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. When the number is given in mixed form, first you will convert that number in improper form, then you will write its additive inverse and the multiplicative inverse. Let's take another example. Product of two rational is minus 3 by 4. If one of them is 2 by 7, find the other number. What you have to do in this question? Product of two rational number is given and one of the number is also given, and you have to find the another number. So let's take first, let the other rational number is x. Then according to given question, x multiply other number is 2 by 7. Product of the number is, that is equal to minus 3 by 4. The number x and product of 2 by 7, x and 2 by 7, when multiply we will get minus 3 by 4. Now you have to find x. So what will you do? You will transpose this 2 by 7 to right side. That is equal to minus 3 by 4. When you transpose 2 by 7 to right side, it will be changed into division. That will become minus 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 7. How will you solve it? Minus 3 by 4, and when you change this division into multiplication, you will write here the reciprocal of this number. That is equal to 7 by 2. Minus 3 by 4 multiply 7 by 2. The number get reciprocal as the division is changed into multiplication. Now you will solve it yourself. I think I have cleared all the concepts to you, and now you can try. Let's try 3, question 1 to 7. Thank you.